In the words of my dude Play from motherfucking House Party. Once again, it's on. What up, man? What up, man? What's going on now? Doing all right? I see you coming with your pink. I see you. I see you. You know how it is. Those are like some fresh foams. So you just got those? My tools right quick. Excuse me.
But I gotta put my phone down.
One. Ah, spin out. Damn.
And it cruises to victory.
Got the Typhon 6S bad boy with the... Hey man, if you could figure out what's different about this Typhon, put the comments in below. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see 5 mods off top. Cool. I wanted to run this truck and get some speed. So this is my street truck. You know what I'm saying? We all got street truck. This is my street truck version. Oh, well you'll see all we're doing is coming around this cone and making a sweeping turn to that cone. 2, 1. Oh, oh. Caught a shit. All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I said you got some get up. Oh shit. Oh, I got something to contend with. I see you, boy. Go. Oh, damn.
And it cruises to victory.
All I gotta do is just calm mine down. I gotta calm mine down. I gotta calm mine down. 3, 2, 1. Ah, damn. I'm gonna get it though. I'm gonna get it. You're gonna have to get me in the straight. You're gonna have to get me in the straight. Watch. I'm gonna tune it up. 1.
Oh, wow.
Ah, yeah, you're gonna have to get me on the straight. But I'm gonna get it though.
Oh, I got you in the first curve.
Oh, I was there. I was there. Okay, yeah. You want something that can hug. Now you know what we're doing. Hell yeah. Man, I see what are those, the floral print foam posits. Yeah. Okay, I got it. Okay.
Yeah, with on the bottom,
man, you got the floral print foams, man. What you know about it? Oh. Yeah.
You gonna beat me where?
Ah.
You gonna beat me on the curve? 2, 1.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? You hurting it trying to catch up. We got him. I'm happy I got my 1.
Hey, good race.
That was a good one.
That's just pure driving skill.
All right, you ready?
Go ahead, man.
All right. 3, 2, 1. No. Hey, finally. I figured out the cheat code. Now I'm about to go for 3 in a row to let you know it ain't a fluke.
Well, I'm with you up. 1 for 10?
Yeah, I am. Good one. Good one. Oh, we good. Keep it going. Oh.
I'm off the throttle.
That boy pop willies the whole way. This boy out here running though, man, on a 3S. I feel you, dog.
2, 1.
Yeah. Okay.